what happened prior to IPKO is that it was placed on the Kenneth agenda. I don't know if anyone would recall, it was already placed on the Kenneth agenda, and 3 experts already kind of alluded to that the 73 hasn't been formally completed. Now, everyone, when we first started the initiative on Article 73, everyone assumed that it was about going independent, but it touched exactly that, the democratic deficits in the Kingdom Charter. And those are the topic of discussion on the Kingdom Charter. The democratic deficits came from, I think it was Dr. Ostindi, when they said something along the lines of, you should put the Kingdom Charter aside and just discuss democratic deficits. I personally, my personal opinion, I tend to disagree with that. St. Martin's Constitution and the Decolonization Committee has already created a petit comité to start focusing on the democratic deficits of the statute. You also have the De Graaf motion and the Van Raak motion that are pinpointing towards that, more responsibilities of the Caribbean islands, and also modernizing the statute. So we were kind of taken back with the presentation by that, because you're saying ignore the statute when you have motions and already initiatives by St. Martin, motions already passed in Holland looking at changing the statute. So that's something we're going to pick back up in the next IPKO. We're going to zoom into that a little more, because that's the direction I see all countries heading already. We already decided that we're going to, as countries, push, finalize, or execute the motion Van Raak and the motion De Graaf. Like I stated before, Van Raak has to do with the responsibilities of the country. That can make change, bring further changes in the Constitution, and modernization. After 12 years, where has it taken us? That's a discussion I think we're going to have to continue in the next IPKO, and really now find ways to make real, true changes that will really bring true democracy across the border in the kingdom. So yes, it touched a lot on 73.